Ready? Okay, I'll make sure I'm recording now. Okay, I'm going to go through the latest paper first. Okay. So this is the latest paper you did. This, it's a, I hope it doesn't, the mark. Oh my goodness. Okay, you can see again so 1, 2, 3, 4 is all correct. Alhamdulillah. Okay, then when you reach to question number 5, this is the ones. Okay, never mind. I recorded it also. Here we go. Let us. Okay, this is your score for this second paper. Your first paper is here. First paper was just paper 2. This is paper 1 and paper 2. Your ultimate score is 44% only. So you got to really make sure you got to ace this. That means you got to hit 70+%. This is a P5 paper, see? So we got to go into why it's happening. So the ones you got wrong are all those 0 here. This is, if you get correct, the question is 1 mark, so 1 mark. So question number 5, 6 lah. You look at 5 and 6, eh? So I will have a record of that thing to see how you progress, okay? So let us see. Maybe you can't see this so clearly, question number 5, but you see the answer is BE. BE is the height. Let us see, yeah? We go down here, BE. Let's see. This is clearer, right? Now, I'm going to turn the... Okay, I'm going to turn it one more time. Okay, can you see now? Down here to here, you can try again if you want. You know where's the height now? This is the base. Where's the height then? Are you telling me or are you gonna? Oh, you are highlighting. Okay, let me see. That one the height. Okay, so we remove. I remove all the. Let me just remove this one first. I remove. I am now gonna make it all white. Down here, all white. Can you see? There's nothing here. There's nothing here. So where is the height? In the base is at the bottom. The base at the bottom, right? Where's the height? It must meet the bottom base at 90 degrees. But this is not 90 degrees one. Let's say now we take this bottom one as the base. I cannot see. I must change the thing. We take the base down here. Where's the height? The height must meet the base at 90 degrees. Right? So which one is the height? But this is not 90 degrees. This is not 90 degrees. It must meet at 98. So this, which one is the height? This one is not 90 degrees. Okay, you see, from here to here, this is not 90 degrees. Yes, that one is nice. So I'm going to draw a clear, you see from here to here, they tell us it's 90. The other side is not 90, yeah. This one not 90, yeah. Down here is 90. So it's CD. Your answer you say here. Here is not meeting at 90 degrees. It's meeting here at 90 degrees. But they tell you the base. The base is at AB. So you got to underline AB. You are correct to say that, hey, this one is the base. Your answer is correct, right? This is the height, is correct. But the base is AC, not AB. They give you base AB. In fact, you say if this one is the height, correct. Hey, this is not the height. You know why this cannot be the height? Because it doesn't go to the highest point, you see. Highest point is here. Can you see the highest point here? This only go part way. Okay, so I hope you get it. We are going to turn back. Hey! Oh my goodness, sorry. Can you see that this one cannot be the height because it's only a part of the triangle, this one, from here to here. The triangle is so much higher. Yes, down here is possible, but the base got to be AC, yeah? So, but now they tell you the base is AB. So you got to turn around the picture, but of course they got to turn around. This one is your next one. So let us see what you write here. You did your work. No working lah. So is it guess or you know how to do so? You see down here, you look at the difference, you know. You must be careful of the difference. Down here got kg. Down here got no kg of it. This it now refer to what? Refer to 37 kg of flour. At first got 37. Now, if you use 1/3 of it, 1/3 of means times. It is 37. Can you find out how much? So you say number one. Yeah, that is being used is number one. She used. Now they want how much is left. So what's your answer? Yes, number two, because 3/7 minus what is used, you get 2/7. You are very clear, right? Okay, so you got to be careful, okay? It's good to practice now because now you can make as many mistakes as you want. Let us look at again your analysis of your scores here. I was the what? What you wrote something? I was something. Okay, now down here. Can you see 7 you got correct? Now 8, 9, 10, 11 you got wrong. So we got to go through that. You were what you were saying? You can tell me. This one 7 you got correct. 8 now. Hey, this one ratio lah. You can do lah, Raidy. You see the name is also like Raidy. It's Randy. Randy made green paint by mixing blue and yellow paint. 4:5. So now I was tired. So you try not to do when you're tired. You got one whole week, don't need to rush. I think I gave you last minute. Yes. Okay, the next one I'll give you no more last minute. We'll try. But we'll do P5 one first because I want to make sure you ace the P5, then we go P6. P5 problem sums, similar to P6 also for the topics you have done. So can you try this one again? You read through carefully. You try. How much green paint did he make? He used 1,000 mil. 1,000 mil of yellow paint. So how many blue do you use? And then in total is how much? You can put like that. 3. Good, well done. So you get 800 here, right? So you add together 1,800. Okay. So this is within your ability lah. Okay, now. You cannot imagine, you must draw. So let us see your paper now. You draw. No, there's no drawing, we do not know. So for me, I need to draw. I need to draw this one, number 9. You draw, I must draw. Okay, I draw for you. But if I draw for you, it's one thing lah. If you can draw on this paper. You print out the paper, right? So you can draw, then I can see your thinking, you see. So this, normally they'll give you 30 will be the length, breadth, height. So 30, 12, 16.
Is it 2?
2, okay. Yes, I have not checked for that. Number 9. Yes, so explain to me how do you do it?
I take 30 times 12 times 16.
Then you minus.
Yes.
Minus what? 30 times 12 times 6.
Yeah, and then it will be 575. 6,760.
Okay, good. All right, all right. That means okay. You're okay, see? So you just so certain things are within your reach, you can score. You try the next one. For 10, I think, let me see. Did you get right for 10? Okay. Number 10, you got wrong. 11, 10, and 11, you got wrong. So can you try 10? Your answer for 10, let me see. You want to see your answer for 10 is 2. So 2 is not the correct answer. Okay, explain to me. Once you get the answer, explain to me.
You take 8 minus 1, 7. That's
Good.
420 equals 7 unit. And 1 unit is 60.
Well done.
And then you take 8 plus 5 plus 1. And then it will be 14. And then you take 60 times 14, 840.
Alhamdulillah, very good. How come you can do like that? You can even explain to me, then this one you get wrong. Don't do chinchai lah. Try your best. We want to get ready for the exam. Okay, so you try now this one. Your answer 11. Your answer is 2. And you feel the answer is not correct. Can you try it? Well done. Can you explain to me?
So you take 5 minus 1,
Okay, 5 minus 1. Okay, get 4.
4. And 4 unit equals 12. 1 unit is 3.
12.
3,
Well
3
done.
times 3 times 5. You get half, and then
Well
that's
done.
the answer.
Well done, well done. Hey, you are so capable. You must be, I imagine you are scoring, you will be scoring A's for the P6 paper. You know? So P6, P5 paper, you should have no problem. Okay, I think this one you got correct. Let me check. Number 12, you got correct. 13, you got wrong. So 12 and 14, you got correct. So 13 now. Hey, this one cannot get wrong, lah, mister. Your answer, what's your answer? 13, your answer is 4. They say it cannot be 4. How many more? What's the least number of units that can be added to make 2? 2 is 14. Okay. 2 is 14. Okay, how you get answer 14? Can you explain?
I counted how much is it? No, I know the question. I count how much there is.
Okay, let's say we form the cube. How many cubes are there altogether?
It is 14.
No, let's say altogether. Let's say altogether. Means you're gonna have 3 down here, right? 3 down here, 3 down here, 3 down. 3 down here. Correct. I'll draw better. Okay, I'll show you. See down here, the length is 3, the breadth is 3 units. The height also have to be 3 units, right? You know what I mean? And then, so how many cubes will there be if, let's say, you form this cube altogether? How many cubes? 3 by 3 by 3. You can times. Length times breadth times height. 3 by 3 by 3. What you get? Now you say answer is 3. So 3 times 3 times 3 is 27, right? Then you minus 1, you minus 4, you minus 9. 9 plus 4, or 9 plus 1, 10, 14. Minus 14 is 13. Well done. But that is attempt number 3, mister. Attempt number 3. So here we go. Next one now. Let us see. You got 14 correct, you got 15 correct, 16, you got 1 correct. So let us look at question 16. You're 16 now. So 16, the top you got correct. This one you got correct. This one you got wrong. I don't know where I marked everything actually. Or maybe we can see this one. This one I already saved. This one I already saved. Hold on. The other one I did not save lah. But this one pening lah. You can see the top is correct, bottom is not correct. Hold on. Okay, so let us look at this question and you try. 60. What is 117,000?
Is it divide or plus?
Divide.
Oh, I read it as plus.
But you plus, you still put, oh, I think. Oh, I see. Okay, yeah lah, okay, they were printing. Problem. Without using calculator lah, this one. Use calculator lah. You're smiling lah. That means you are using calculator. Okay, explain to me how you get your answer now. What to do now? Just very quickly. I'll cancel for you. 390. 390 is correct. Well done.
Okay, so you take
Cancel lah.
100, then you take 3 here. So you
Good.
take here. So 1170 divided by 3.
Well done. Oh, what sound is that, man? Police.
Sound of the police.
Police. Okay, this one, the next one also you got 1 mark. So let us see. This one I need to go through your answer. So what happened now? So now, your answer. Can you see that one? Your answer is actually almost correct. But when you want to correct to 2 decimal places, you must make sure your answer is up to 3 decimal places. So let's say we continue this one. So divide by 5, bring down the 0. Then what is the next number? Yes. So you get it, huh? So the answer 256. I know it's slightly different, just 1, but you have to do 3 decimal places to round off. Okay, you get it, huh? And this is, please, don't give me all the simple stuff or what. But that's why we have to make sure you do well first. Okay, 18 you got correct, 19 got correct, 20 got correct, 21 is the question. 21. Here we go. 21. Let me see. Okay, I think do you show any working? Oh, nothing there. Okay, let's think through. I myself thinking through. Okay, we do. You draw lah this one. Okay, I draw for you. First, you already got the number. How many is? I'm going to ask you what's the difference between the two. Can you find out what's the difference between the two? Now the first one represents basket Y. This one represents. Can send me recording. Okay. This one is it? This one, yes. The last one, I'm sorry, I didn't record. I made sure I felt very bad. So the Y is here, X is here, right? So now they say they hold on, I need to draw again. Let's say this thing goes up here. This is Y, this is X. Then each of them equal number is taken out from the baskets. Let's say this is the equal number lah. This shaded part taken out from Y, shaded part taken out from X. And in the end, basket Y has 3 times as many fruits as basket X. But do you notice the difference doesn't change here? Can you find out the difference? Then you can find out 1 unit. Then you can find out how many fruits are there in basket. You know how to do? Okay, you try. Well done. So now, I don't know whether you gave up. You give up. You didn't write anything. You tried. You're tired, I think. So maths you cannot do when you're tired. So that's why for your exam, you cannot make sure you go in don't have enough sleep habis lah. You must rest. People say, you can still rest. Yes, you better rest and be alert. Your mind must be in the best form. Let's see now. This one, did you get correct? 22. 22 you got correct. 22 got correct. Huh? The rest all you got wrong. Okay, so let us see. 22 correct. This one. This one I shaded for you. Can you try? You can do this. You can do this. I shade for you. Hold on. Is this part here? In the original question, I also shaded. But the thing disappeared now. So I have to shade it. Now okay. Oh, you shaded. Okay. So can you try? We give you 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes to think. You think through, then you strategize. Don't rush. Don't rush, okay? Just give me a moment. I'll be right back after this advertisement. You don't need to do that. You just need to tell me whether you got the strategy or not. Do you get the strategy? Yes. You know how to find? No. Okay, now I'm going to label for you, okay? I'm going to label the 3 parts. Let us see whether you can get it. I label the unshaded part of triangle A. I label the shaded part, which is an overlap of the triangle and square, as B, and this as C. Now they tell us the area of the triangle is 3 to 9. Area A plus B is 3 to 9. Right? And that is equals to how many units? You see, the ratio of area A to the shaded portion of triangle A to the square. So this one, A plus this is 7. This one is 2. Then this one is 5. So the unshaded portion of A is how many units? You know what I'm talking about? Unshaded, how many units?
7.
7 is for the area of the triangle. That means the whole triangle is A and B. Okay, then never mind. 7 units is 3 to 9 lah. You can find already. Okay, you solve it then. You know how to do, right? But be careful, the 725, you must know what is what, you know. This 7 is inclusive of this thing. You try. Well done. So I'm going to ask you, the unshaded part of the square is how many units? 3. Unshaded of triangle is 5. Well done, very easy, yes. So it's, you can do this. Remember, it's all in the mind. It's all in the mind. It's all in the mind. Are you going out this Sunday or no? Yes. So will you be attending tuition? No. I think I might cancel Sunday's tuition this week because Kashril also is out. Okay, so most probably I will cancel the tuition on Sunday for this week. Next week is school. Where are you going to? Malaysia. Wow. Alhamdulillah. Okay. So when are you leaving tomorrow? Yes. You driving there or taking a flight or taking a bus or 3 a.m. tomorrow morning. Best, huh? Okay, this one now. Now this one, they are looking at, okay, so let us look, you did this. So let us see what you do. This one we went through today. This one now, okay, you took finally 22. 22 is the whole thing from here to here, no? Times 15. 15, I think, is from here to here. If you take 22 times 15, you get this whole big area. It's rectangle. It's not triangle. They want to know the triangle, this part here. So can you try again? I want you again to take some time to strategize. Okay, you can take this as the base for this triangle. You need to find the height. You can take this as the base for this triangle, then add them together. Okay, we give you 3 minutes to try this one. You can do this. You have to believe in yourself. Okay, are you okay? You know how to start it? You know how to do? Don't know. I asked you, are you okay? But okay, you see, physically you're okay, but you don't feel. Now let us see. I am gonna ask you now. Do you know? This? Let's say this is the base. You know the base? Then the height is from here to here. What? You know the height, right? You can find down here. You can find the height is here. What? You can also find base times height, half times base times height to find triangle A, half times base times height to find triangle B. You can do lah. Don't give up. You're giving up too soon. Fight. Okay, try. And then tell me the answer in 1 to 2 minutes. And $143. Okay, you tell me what's the area of triangle A? What's the area of triangle A? Half times 8. From here to here is 8, right? Because this is a square, right? Half times 8 times 15 now. So you get what? 60, right? Half times the base is, hold on. Half times the base is 8. The height is 15. Down here, height is. So now I divide by 2, I get 4. Divide by 2, get 1. 4 times 15 is 60 square cm. That's for A. We read that. Now B. The height is 8 also. Can you see B down here, this triangle? The base is 8. The height is also 8. Why? Because the height is same as this one. So half times 8 times 8. Ya Allah. How you got the answer now? What's your answer? Not 1 for 3 lah. Hi, why my pen is? I'm gonna find a better way. Down here. So you divide by 2, you get 1, so you get 4. 4 times 8, 32. Yes, and so you add both of them together lah. Your final answer is you get 60 plus 32, 92. Well done. So it's not so tough, Raidy. You can do this. Look, I've been expecting you, Raidy, where you, Raidy, you disappeared. I've expected you to pass from last year. So I realized that's why I recommended from last year, you need to go for one-to-one because you need to sharpen the skill for problem sums. You got to be very careful. You can do this. You can do this. Trust me. You will be able to do this. This one also. You know you have learned volume, right? Okay, let us see now what you write. Okay, let us see what you do. 80 times 60 times 100, you find the whole volume. Okay. Now let us see what they want you to find. How much water must be added down here? So it reach 12 cm. Come ready. Let's see now. You put divide by 3, 20 times 2, 40. So now you know that it's 40 cm. You know it's 48, so you minus 48. Then, alamak, you dribble. And in front of goal, and you stand still. Okay, you are going to get the answer. You're going to get the answer. Okay, we can you see the question using your paper? Because you're working is can see. You cannot, then I use this. Okay, we go through. I read through. I read through again. Then you see you almost reach it. Now you know this is the tank. Fill up to 2/3. So you take 60 divide by 3, then times 2, you get 40. So you are saying now from here to, let me see, from here to here is 40 cm. Yes, correct. And then the next one you did was 12 cm from the top. So you took 60 minus 12, you get 60 minus 12, you get 48. And then you said very good, 48 minus 40 is 8 cm. Good. So this is 8 cm. All you need to do is find out what is this amount of water here, this cake lapis. No, like you know cake lapis. You need to find out cake lapis. But if you got the length, you got the breadth, you can find out what it is. Can you find out? Okay, that's 48. Good, 48. You want to find this amount of water in the red. Can you find out how much water there is? You find out. Then after that, change it to liters. You are almost there. You found the 8 cm. Were you confused in the end? I think you were confused. You dribble. Then say, hey, where's my goalpost? $20. Yeah. Okay. Do you take 8 cm times 100 times 80? You must, because you want to find this is the amount that you must add up. Now the water is only at 40, you want it to rise to 48. So the height is 8. But the length and breadth are the same. So now change it to liters now. Divide by 1,000. So your answer in liters is because they want liters of here. Well done. So let us look again. Let us look again at your previous answer. You were going to get it. You see, you did very nice. 60 divided by 3. Now 40 is the height. 48 is the new height you want. 48 minus 40, this is 8. And then you put answers 8. Your answer is correct. Is what is the difference in the height between the original height and the new height? Yes, it's 8 cm. But they want to know how much water must you add. You must add this part of water. So 8 times, you get it right? No, this is correct. This one is correct. You got 8 is correct. But you just need to times by 180. You just a little bit more, a little bit more. Okay, never mind. The last question. So actually, I think you could have scored 70 to 80 easily. What do you think? You think so? Yes, right? You are capable, mister. Okay, just let me just check what is your answer. Okay, this one, I don't know whether you did properly or not. Let me see. Okay, it's not. Okay, you think through, we take 2 minutes to think through, and then you find out what's the strategy. You should draw a model. Can you draw a model in a paper? You draw a model paper, then we can discuss. Okay, can draw the model here, no problem. Can draw it here, yes. I need just 1 second already. Just give me a moment. You draw first, eh? Good, first part of the model, okay. And then, yes, good. Only thing you may want to redraw after that, but it's okay, no problem. In the end, he's left with 1/4. So that is 1/4 of the whole money. So altogether, got how many quarters altogether? That is 2 quarters, right? And that is, sorry, that's considered 1/4, but there's 2 units. So 1/4 is 2 units. One whole, how many units? Yes, yes. One whole, how many units? You understand the question? If you know that, very fast you'll get it very, very fast. Yeah, this is 1/3, yes. So the 80 is how many? The 80 is how many? How many units? How many units? Be careful, be careful. Your half and 1/4 and whatnot, be careful. Be careful.
1.
Okay, Mike, I just asked you this one. Hold on. This one.
3 units.
3/4, right? 3/4, right? But don't use the half here. So 3/4 down here got how many units altogether?
3.
Not 3. You see down here, 1/4. 1/4, I draw a circle. 1/4. 1/4 got how many units? 1/4 got there. How many units?
1.
1, 2. What? Can you see? 1, 2 units. So 1/4, there's 2 units here. So altogether, how many units?
Altogether has 8.
8. So the whole thing is 8. Now don't be confused. Don't worry. We go 3 step. So down here you got 3. Balance is how many? Yours is not drawn to scale. That's why it might feel confusing. There's 1, 2, 3. This one is same size, right? This is actually 5 units. So I draw for you, Ken. I draw this for you. I erase.
Yeah.
I draw for you. So now we draw the last part first. Okay, sometimes the trick is to draw the last part first. Say last part, you see, he has 3 parts left. Okay, 3 parts left. And then it says, this part now is 1/4. If you can get the understanding here, this part is 1/4, means every 2 is 1/4. 1, 2 units, 1/4. And one whole got 4 quarters. So I can draw this one, I can draw further after here. Well, 2 units, another quarter. This one quarter. This one, another quarter. This one, another quarter. Can you see this is one whole now? Can see now. So down here now, this is $80 for the watch. You can solve it now? Why you cannot? Can lah. You find out $80 how many units? One unit how many? They ask how much money he has at first. Can. You can do it. You can do it, mister. You can do it.
Is 1 unit 16?
1 unit 16, absolutely well done. So how many units you have at first altogether?
4.
No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
8.
6, 7, 8. Yeah. So this one I must create more.
Is answer 1 to 8?
1 to 8, yes. But do you understand? No, not really. Yeah. No. Okay. Be honest. Okay, no problem. No problem. Okay. I will create now some for you. Okay, I need to create on the spot so that you can do this straight. And I will type on here. The problem with on the spot question is what? I make mistake. Because on the spot, right? Where is it? Wow. Where's my, hold on. Where's my, okay lah. I will change this. I can't do that, so I do the next thing. Hold on. I'm still calculating. Wait. Hold on. This one here is 1/3. Okay. Hold on. Let me think. I don't know whether this makes sense. Okay, this one now. Half. All right, you try. Can ready? Is that your cat? Or your kakak? Kakak. How your kakak found a new maths teacher? Huh? Did not? And who's teaching her? Should I tell your mother for me to teach her alone, one-to-one? It's a good idea. Good. But I do not know because never mind. This one I must change to 210. Okay, 210. Then you can do. Draw the model. What do you say? Sorry, I didn't see. She's doing well. Wow. How do you know? Maybe she studied on her own. Maybe that's why she wasn't doing that. She was doing well actually. And I thought that she was not doing well. Maybe it's too easy for her. Ini banyak overlap. You want me to draw for you?
It says my internet is unstable.
Your internet unstable.
Yeah.
So this Sunday, there's no maths lesson. Huh? Remember what I draw first? I draw the last part first. So this is what? The last part. So how many units are there altogether down here? I'm confused. How many?
6.
Why 6? Oh, all different size lah.
Yeah.
I see, I see.
Wait.
This one you forward, yeah. How, Raidy, okay or not? I draw for you, Ken. We draw the end part. The end part, there's only half left. So I draw like that, this whole thing, I divide it into 2. So this is now at the end. At the end. But this part, if we read this thing here, how many fifth is it? We spend 1/5 of the remaining money. So from here to here is how many fifth?
1.
1. No, this is not what is spending.
4.
4. Good. Once we know that, that's it. Once we know that, that's it. You see, we divide down here. Down here, down here, down here. 4. And then we put the 1 down here. And if this is half, Raidy, this one got half. This is 4. What? Down here must have 4 also. Can you see not?
3 unit is 20.
210. 3 unit 210. 1 unit is how much? Then you can do it.
70. 1 unit is 70.
Okay, then you can find 70 times 8. I'll give you one more, okay?
560.
Yeah, the thing is basically you need to draw the last part first. Okay, for this time we draw the last part. We try. Okay, you can do this. You can do this. One, 2, 2/5. Okay. Balance on here is half lah. I do half again lah. And down here now is $60. $60. Good. Put the half mark longer lah. Your half mark is here, right? Correct, right? Good. So score the goal now. Score the goal. You can do it already. 1 unit is how much? Well done. I'm going to give you one more now. Let us try. Do you realize after a while it gets easier? Lah. This one is $100. Can you try to draw? $100. Did I make a mistake? Hold on. No, I did not make a mistake. Good. So the balance, how many units? You know already. The long piece is how many units? You know.
20 is the answer. 20.
20?
20.
One unit cannot be 20 lah. Okay, we draw carefully. We just draw. You don't erase, don't erase. I'm just gonna draw. Wait. Down here you say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Correct? After using 1, 7, got 2/3. So this is the 6 units is 2/3. So 1/3 is made up of 1, 2, 3 lah. 1/3, 1, 2, 3. So down here must be 1, 2, 3. Down here now, this is $100.
Answer 50.
50, yes. But if they ask you for the total amount, you will take 50 times 3,339. We do one last one, Ken. You tired already? Where are you going to go actually? In which part of Malaysia? KL. KL. Which hotel are you going to do, you know? Damansara, okay. I did not really go to Damansara often, but yeah, anyway. Yeah. Can you try this now? They both Golden Chulan. Oh, you know my first documentary, I featured Golden Chulan. Very nice carving. Eh? You always go there.
Yeah, but I always go to two hotels. It's answer 25.
Wait. Answer not to you. You must finish your model. So this model now is 1/3. You know this thing down here. This is considered 1/3. Correct.
1/3 is
Then
3.
3. Then you're gonna have altogether one whole got 3 1/3. Right? Correct.
So 3 times 2 equals 6 minus 1, which
Yes.
is 5.
5 is
30. The answer is 30, right?
30. Yes, 1 unit is 30. So how is it? Is it okay?
Okay.
All right. Now we try this one. Write it up here. Let me see. This one. Hey, sorry. You can see right this one. So that this one I'm so sorry I have not, but we can check now. Okay. So yeah, I think more or less you are getting it. Hold on. So down here, $5 note, $6, 84. Yes, down here is 1180. Well done. Then once it says divide 1180, you get 14 sets. Okay. How many 20 cents? Yes, correct. Well done. Okay, this one's easy. I think you gotten it already. Then this one now. Use 236 8 beads for necklaces. He used 16 beads for each necklace. So one set is 16 beads plus 9 beads for bracelet. She twice a number of bracelets. So one set is 28, correct? Well done. Not 28 lah. 18 plus 16 is how much? 34, correct. Oh, what is this? Oh, 2 bracelet. I thought you wrote 28. Okay. So now, she 238 minus 34 got 7. So now you got the number of beads. Well done. What did I ask you? How many bracelets did she make? Your first answer is what? 7. 14. Which one? You made how many sets? There's 7 sets, right? 7 sets means 7 necklaces, but 2 bracelets in each set. So you must times 2. 7 times 2 get 14 for this one. Are you confused? You sure not? You confused, right? So all the necklaces, so 25 times 1, 1, 2, hold on. 25. Why 112? Why 112? Because there's 7, you know. Don't count the beads. You sell by the beads lah. You satu biji cannot sell satu biji. You must sell by the necklace lah. The necklace lah. The banyak biji. You are selling by the biji now 112 biji. Wait. What is this? 18 times 7 is 126. This is the necklace lah. This is the number of beads. This is number of beads used. Total number of beads used, total number of beads used. If you add this, you get 238. Can you see now? But they didn't ask you to find out what's the total number of beads. You know that they have 7 sets. 7 sets means 7 necklaces, but it's not 7 bracelets, it's 14 bracelets because one set there's 2 bracelets. One set, there's 1 necklace, 2 bracelets. So you find out there's 7 sets. So 7 times 2, 14. So you must find out what's the price. 7 times 25. 14 times 15. Then you add them together lah. You get it or not? Yeah, 175. The other one is 14. No. Yeah. Okay, 14 times 15. So 30, 20, 210, is it? Yeah. So once you add it together, you get 385. Yes. So how is it? Is it okay? Okay, let me hold on. Let me just run through the hold on. Okay. 1/3 of the ribbon is equals to 3. So for me, I draw like model. 1/3. There's 3 parts. 1/3 down here is equals to 3/5. So this one is 3 parts. Total, there's 5 parts. But these 3 parts equal to 1 part of y of x. All together, I can cut. There's 9 parts in x. There's 5 parts in y. Ribbon X is 240 cm longer. 5 minus 9 minus 5 is 4. These 4 units is 240. Divide by 4, you get 60 now. There, you got this. 60 times 14. Yes, correct lah. Okay, you are doing slightly different method, but it's okay. It's the correct answer. Well done. Okay. I tell you what, this 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We visit again, Ken. Then I will give you some homework. Is it okay? All right, then. See you. Enjoy yourself. Tell your mom this Sunday there's no lesson because a few other students who can Kashul also cannot make it. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. I'll send you the link. Okay. I'll send you.